Mapithel Dam affected Hetman Chief and Elders Organization has appealed relevant authority to dismantle the Mapithel Dam as the dam has failed to meet its intended target of serving the farmers and villages. Speaking in this regard at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of the organization, M. Ngaranmi, maintained that Mapithel Dam was constructed with the assurance to provide assistance to villagers and to ease the life of farmers in the region. However, in contrast to these, villagers are enduring more hardships as it has badly affected by farming and animal husbandry activities. Before the construction of the dam, villagers were able to support their life without having to depend on government's assistance. Speaking further, M. Ngarami also maintained that government has also failed to disperse compensation amount to villagers. He added that the villagers want government to dismantle the dam and to let them revert to their earlier lives.
Manipur ki government puriba chief minister kiana water resources ki mantri kiana ekoi da promise tauki masi dam sarabdi ekoi affected miyam se nungai yai thagani development yam paikhatini haina fake promise yam tawi ado hojiti isingna summers tawre 2015 da summers tawre mutung da di ekoi life affected displaced miyam se ekoi se khang da ngau ga chap anagre public miyam se yam ware aduna Manipur ki government double engine government se start dawdre aduna dam se thuna thugai biro ekoi hani kumna ihinga ge sini hanadi ekoi chengcha kwalam de ekoi government ration se ekoi tarka leite ekoi lobuk leiramna ekoi lam leina ekoi government ekoi ration demand tawde scheme demand tawde phajana ekoi nungai leiramani aduna mase government athubam damda dam se dismantle tawbiro